Hello, welcome. Today we are going to see how to use Nano editor. So let's start. This is Windows operating system. On this I am running Linux operating system using virtual machine VMware workstation. So I have booted into Linux using VMware. Now let's start with our session. Today we are going to see how to use Nano editor. I have listed some basic things using which we will see how the Nano editor works. So first we are going to see how to open a file in Nano editor. So for opening a file in Nano editor, first we have to type Nano space name of the file ABC. The name of the file can be new name of the file, or if you want to edit any previous file you have to write the name of the previous file which is already existing. But for opening that previous file you have to navigate to that particular directory for opening that file. For opening a new file, type the name preceded by Nano, then press the enter key. After pressing enter key you will be taken to a new window which is of Nano. The first black bar will show you the version of the Nano and the file name. In the bottom half we see these three lines, where the first line is a status bar which tells the status of the operation which is going on. Next two lines are the help lines which tells us about the shortcuts which are handy, which might come in handy while using this Nano editor. If you want to see any other shortcuts, this get help option displays those options too. Each and every option is preceded by a letter and also an arrow. The arrow key here specifies the control key. Means you have to first press the arrow key or the control key and then the specified letter. So if I want to get help, then I would press control and then would press G. After pressing this, the help would be displayed, where a detailed instruction about Nano editor is given and also the shortcuts are displayed. According to the above description, the alternative keys for these shortcuts are displayed within parentheses. So if this particular key is not working, so you can press F1 and carry out the desired function. To exit from this information text, we have to press Ctrl X. Now first we are going to see how to enter the text in the Nano editor. Initially we had seen opening a file where I had typed Nano and ABC. Next we are going to see entering the text. So for entering the text, I would click inside the workspace area, then the cursor would appear depicting the initial position from where your typing would start. I would type so I have typed something here. This is how you have to type. You have to just click in the workspace area, cursor would appear, and then type what you have to. Next we are going to see how to cut particular line or cut particular part. If I want to cut this hello line, hello word, what I'm going to do is position my cursor on hello and press Ctrl K. But let me remind you that in Windows, when you would press Ctrl K, the line would be cut, but for cutting the a particular part there is a different method. So here when you press Ctrl K, the whole line is going to be cut. The line has been cut, and if I want to paste it here, I would press Ctrl U. Again Ctrl U. See, hello word is pasted. And next we are going to see how to cut a part. Suppose I want to cut only BH, so I would press Alt A and position my cursor from where I need to start. Then go on the words I need to select. I have selected with this black marking, and then press Ctrl K. The words are cut, and then if I want to paste it, I have to position my cursor at that particular position and press Ctrl U. B is only cut, and again I'm going to show this thing. So let us cut BE. Press, position the cursor, press Alt A, mark set. See, the mark is set, means I can perform the selection now. I go here. The thing you need, partial thing you need to cut should be fully black, means it should be fully selected. Then only these things need to cut. These things are cut. And then I press Ctrl K. Now I position my cursor here to paste, and I press Ctrl U. So BE is pasted. Next, we are going to see how to save this file. So let's see in help. Ctrl G. We are going down, and how to save your file. Write the current file to the disk. So this can be done using Ctrl O and using F3. So exiting from this help, I press Ctrl O. Then it would ask for the name. Initially I am given ABC, but you can change it. Suppose I type it BeTech and I press enter. Then it's going to ask that whether you want to save this file under a different name or not. If you want to save this file under a different name, press Y as in for yes, or you can also click here, it would save it. Oh, clicking is not enabled because in this Nano editor by default clicking option or using mouse is not enabled. You have to enable it using Alt M. So here I'm just, for now I'm pressing Y as mouse option is not enabled. The status line shows that 5 lines are wrote to this file. If I close this file and then again reopen this file, I'm going to see this content as it is. Now for enabling the mouse control, you have to press Alt and then M. Mouse support is enabled. So let's see whether the saving option we can use clicking or not. Type this, press enter, different name, I click yes. Now when I click yes, the option did work because I had initially enabled the mouse option. Now how to quit this Nano editor. For quitting Nano editor, the shortcut is specified here. You have to press Ctrl X. Pressing Ctrl and X. Now we have exited from Nano editor. Thank you friends. If you like this video, please like it, share and subscribe. Please do comment your queries. Thank you.